Welcome to LitCommerce Academy, your go-to resource for using LitCommerce app. In this video, let's dive into how to list and import your products on Walmart. We will walk through three cases. First, you have products on your own website and you want to list and sell them on Walmart. Second, you are selling on Walmart and now you want to import all your Walmart listings to your own web store. And lastly, you have the same products in both your main store and Walmart and you want to link them together. Let's start with the first case. List products on Walmart. First, go to All Products on your main store and select the items you want to list on Walmart. Then, click on the Select section and hit List Products to Channels. Afterward, tick the box beside the Walmart store if necessary, or simply click Add as Draft now. Once you've finished adding products to Walmart as drafts, go to your Walmart store and edit Walmart draft listings. Here you will need to fill in all your listing information, such as title and description, images, variations, category, and shipping. Complete that step and your listing is now ready to live on Walmart. Click Save and Publish to Walmart and you successfully list your products to Walmart. Let's move to the next case. Import listings from Walmart and list them on your main store. Go to your Walmart store and click on Import from Walmart. Here you will have some options like auto-link products, re-import deleted products, or filter products to import. Once finished, click Begin Import. Then, choose the listings you want to add to your main store. Click Select Action, then choose Create on your main store. I will go for Create on Shopify. After that, switch to your All Products tab and you will see the product is moved to Shopify. The last case, you want to link the same products on different channels. Do you remember you can choose to auto-link products when importing products from Walmart? The blue icon beside your listing is the linked listing, and the red one is for the unlinked listing. To connect the unlinked listings, click Link to a product. Our tool will help you synchronize the products with the same SKU on different channels. Hit Select. Then the red icon will change to blue, which means the product from both channels is linked. And that's it. You've successfully listed and imported products on Walmart. This is LitCommerce Academy. We'll see you in the next video.